All right, Coach Kelly, thanks for having everyone come out today. You guys are awesome. Appreciate it. Quick little review for you. So first thing, set up about shoulder width apart with the feet. Ball position we're going to play in about the middle of our stance. So remember, setup, we want arms relatively straight and creating a little angle right here. So a couple of you, I told them to take the meaty part of the hand right here and get that on top of the club. So anyway, hands down, create a little angle, and then from there, at our setup, remember we want to put a little bit of weight on the front foot, which is closer to the target. So right-handed golfers, we're going to put the weight on the left side. Left-handed golfers, we're going to put the weight on the right foot. So again, weight on that front foot about 60-65%. And then remember, L on the backswing to L on the follow-through. We get that L to L. And then the momentum might take it past that, but even if you can go stand in front of a mirror, create a little L, and then on the follow through, create another L on that side. That's gonna be what we're looking for. So the L to L drill. Make sure then, with that weight on the front foot, make sure that you can bottom out. Again, we talked about that divot, even hit some divots at each other. So you can bottom out, at least brush the ground. That's going to be what we're looking for. So again, bottom out the club. As a practice swing, if you hit the ground in the right spot, step right up. I didn't really mention it while you guys were here, but every study that I've looked at for short-term muscle memory, because right now you're probably thinking about a lot of different things. So short-term muscle memory, somewhere between 4 and 8 seconds is how long our bodies and our brains remember that short-term muscle memory. So I call it my 6-second rule. What that means, if you do a practice swing right next to it and hit the right spot, you've got 6 seconds to step up to the ball, look at your target, make sure you're aimed where you want it to, and fire. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and fire. You should be firing right in there. So that'll help you remember, so that you're in your practice swing, you can think about what you're doing, think about the weight left, creating the L, but then when you're ready to hit, step up, use that muscle memory and fire. So the goal of that practice swing is A, hit the ground, B, hit the ground in the right spot, which is right at or slightly in front of the ball. So feet shoulder width apart, ball in the middle, weight on the front foot, L to L. Coach Kelly went through a couple things and had a couple of you point your shoulder down at the ball. So basically a little reminder there, if you're swinging and you're going over it or you're missing, you're going above the ground, not getting down to the ground, that's where instead of here, where that shoulder's up, take it back and that left shoulder is going to be more down. That'll help you to get down to the ground. So hopefully that helps. Little review, little couple things just from what we covered today. So thanks again for coming out, and I'll see you guys soon.